Tired of having short hair? Don't want to take supplements because you don't believe in it? Need a new strategy? Well, here's how you can grow it out. Just get some bundles. Don't believe me? Don't get into a fight, though. Don't get into a fight. No, I'm kidding. Oh, I'm supposed to be looking this way. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this beautiful hair that everyone keeps thinking is my hair, and unfortunately my hair is not curly like this. My hair is damaged, and let's just get it straight, it's not my hair. But how I'm going to do that, an easy way to do it, if you have naturally curly hair or curly hair, you can definitely do clip-ins. So I'm going to show you how to DIY your own naturally curly hair clip-ins. The process is really simple. It's about 3, 4, 5 steps, not even. The hair is linked down below. Show you how long it is. This is the longest, the 28 inch. We have 26, 24, 22. That's the ones I've used. Lady ships really fast. I asked her questions, she knew how to answer them, and she definitely came in time, so I definitely recommend her. But let's get started. Right, so what are you gonna need is needle and thread, bundles, using 2 at a time. You're gonna need large clip-ins. I bought about 4 packs of 12. You're gonna need that much if you're using 4 bundles. And I recommend the large because it, takes up more place. I did them for 3 to 5 inches long. With the smallest ones, they're going to have 1 clip-in, and that clip-in is going to be in the middle. But for the longer ones that are 4 to 5 inches long, they're going to be with 2 kind of bordering the ends. So now I am just tying this knot. Gonna do it twice. This is like sewing 101. Takes you back to those days if you guys do that. Or if you have like home ed, like, oh my gosh, I feel so old. Okay, so when I do the bundles, they aren't connected together, of course, so I'm going to sew that in together just so when I do apply the bundles into my hair, it doesn't rip out when I'm brushing it or clipping them in. So I like to have that secure. You can start from either way, does not matter. Christ. I'm gonna go back through. I came out from that side, I'm gonna come back into the side. Give it a nice little tug. So I did that once, and now I'm applying the clip-on. I did not say where you can get these wig clips from. I've seen them at beauty supply stores. Y'all know y'all local beauty supply stores. Shout out to them. Well, shout out to the ones who aren't judgmental. So yes. Now, here's the thing with the wig clip. You're always going to make sure you're doing it on this side when you're sewing it on, because if you do it from this side, when you try to clip it on, this is going to be to your hair, this is going to be in the way. This bar right here is basically put there just to separate the hair from, you know, getting caught into the teeth. So always remember this side goes against or next to the bundle part that you were sewing. Okay. So I'm starting with the first hole. Try to make this as even as possible. Got it to the first one. Gotta make sure it goes through. Yeah, it can be tricky, but once you keep going at it, you'll get the hang of it. I like to hold on to this because it gets stuck in the hair and in the teeth. So when I'm pulling it through, what I do is put my finger kind of guarding where the teeth are at, but still laying it along where my finger's at so it doesn't get stuck on the hairs. And I just pull it through. Oh, see, look, it got caught right there. Oh my gosh, we're going down. There we go. So we got the first hole in. Now we're on this side. Definitely try to line it up as neatly as possible. Try to find where the second hole is. We're sewing from side to side, not over. Because when you do over, I did that I'm crazy for doing that. Like, I don't even know why I did that, but I did. And it definitely, so basically like the wig clip, it just started like flipping up. And I was just like, what in the world? Is because I sewed over and not across, horizontally. Yeah, so don't sew vertically. Gonna pull that through, still trying to remind myself to keep it guarded. Still gonna go over. Make sure it's lined up. Guarding that. Okay, we're almost done. Pretty easy, right? Still keeping this lined up. Gotta like find. Ooh, gotta find the hole. Okay. Remember, still holding that from behind with your fingers. Secure in the bag. Some hair will get caught in between, and it's totally fine. Okay, we're on the last one. Now, what I do when we're on the last one, I basically sew through it. You see how I do that? Just to secure it at the top. I'll show you again. So I'm gonna go back in. It's okay to do that. I just like to do this to like extra secure it. Okay. Right? So I pulled it through, but as you know it's going in, I'm going to re-loop it through that hole that I'm pulling, just to make sure it's like secure, then, you know, pull on it. So now I'm going to make a knot. Make sure the knot is as low as possible because you don't want a long string. And I'm going to double knot it. Sometimes I triple knot it just to be extra sure and make sure, you know, it doesn't fall out on you. Yeesh, I'm horrible at making knots and making sure they're all the way down there. Okay, and there we have it. And then you're gonna cut the thread. You can cut the strings if it's too long, it's perfectly fine. Okay. This is the clip-in I just finished. Okay, so there we have it. Easy clip-ons. That's how I install my curly bundles. I do clip-ins. I like them when I'm tired. Clip on, clip out. Clip in, clip out. It's just really convenient for me. I think it blends in very well. Let's look at the back. It is a lot of hair, but I'm extra and I was like, I want this. It's my birthday, so let's do this. So, yes. But there you have it. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Thanks for following my page and follow my not new Instagram, but it's finally on private. It was my private Instagram. It's my name, @Taikina. That's Taikina. And yeah, you should definitely stay updated with me on there. I'll be telling you guys about new videos. I should stop making this noise. But thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know where it's at. Subscribe wherever the button's at. Alright, catch you guys later.